Ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how to install a device to make your C8 Corvette faster and keep your warranty. And this episode is brought to you by Pedal Commander. Now let's go to Sport Plus. Holy cow! Dude! Guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm barely touching the gas.
Yep.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. As you know, we are still here at Mark's house and we're about to do a install that I've told you all about on my car. It's a device that helps you get more speed, more performance out of your C8 Corvette without voiding the warranty. And that device is called Pedal Commander, as you see right here. And so we're going to install it. Mark T, Mark I, the Mark and Mark Show are going to help me install this today. Mark T actually has a pedal box on his C8. He let me test drive it. It was amazing. It was night and day different from my gas pedal. Mine feels like it's got a little bit of lag on it, and his is just instant response. So I'm looking forward to installing this. By the way, if you haven't checked out Mark's channel, make sure you check out his channel. It's YMV. He has a YouTube channel. Check it out. Go over there, subscribe, and give him some love. All right, let's get with the install. So Mark is going to open up the Pedal Commander and show you guys what we have inside the box here. There you go. So this right here, turn it this way. This is the controller, but it also works off of Bluetooth, as you see there. So I can use an app on my phone to make this thing work, but it has 4 different settings: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus. And then these are the cables that you use to hook this up. So one of these goes in your ECU port, and the other one goes in the port underneath the pedal. So we have to remove my gas pedal today with that one bolt. By the way, Mark I insisted that we put this on his lift, and it's a good thing we did because it makes life a lot easier to just access this pedal.
Yeah, Mark T's already close to the ground, so you know, this is where being vertically challenged comes into play. I still could have did it on the ground, but Mark I wanted to use the lift. Okay.
And I didn't care either way. I said, you know what, we'll do it whichever way you guys want to do it. I just thank them for helping me install this.
See that turns like that?
What?
Just in case.
Oh, that's slick.
Wow. Sheesh. One bolt. So there's only one bolt, but you have to slide the pedal backwards to get these little clips out of those holes right there. So now the pedal is just hanging on by what it's plugged into. All right, so that's the connection you have to undo on your gas pedal right here. So now we're gonna hook up the Pedal Commander to that connection, and then the other side to that connection on this pedal.
And is there any...
Okay, so this right here, this one, is gonna go back into there. I mean, I have long arms, and this is still
very hard to get to. Perfect, it clicked, right?
Yeah.
That was a good click, yep.
Yeah.
There you go.
So that's in. Now, we have to put the male onto this female, which is like this.
Yep, good click.
And then that clicks in there. Yep. Now we have to put these little clips back into these holes.
Slot. See the
Now
slots?
the slots.
Yep.
There we go.
Push it forward,
Yep,
right? You push
yep.
it forward to kind of seat it. There you go.
It's all the way seated.
And then the nut, the bolt.
Yeah, the
will hold
bolt
that
goes
in.
right here.
Touch that. Yeah, that's good. Because you step on that gas pedal pretty hard, Mike, so you might want to bolt that thing down pretty tight.
Yeah. So now you have the pedal commander that you can wrap around there.
And like you said, Mike, you don't actually have to access that, so you can just
No.
tuck it away into anything you really wanted to,
That is
right?
correct. But for now, we're going to leave it sitting there. Mark, I need your expertise.
Yeah. Oh, which one? This mark, yeah.
Tell me what you think about that install so far.
Let's see. Oh, okay. And you covered it back up. It's
Good?
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, absolutely. No, that's good, bro.
So then you tuck that,
Yeah.
the wire up inside there.
Yeah, you can run the wire up to the back so that you won't see it, and then behind the back edge of the car. If you wanted to, once you get it up, you can zip tie it at the top, because there's a little piece at the top. You can zip tie it at the top so that way it won't dangle.
Do you have a little
All the way
baby
back.
that we can throw in there to zip tie it? So you can just stand up all the way and get underneath there and zip tie it for me?
What do you want to do?
Just a little baby.
Yeah, something smaller
Just
than
like
me.
a 2-year-old.
Yeah, something smaller than me. I'm small,
They
but
take,
you know,
if
it's
they
what I'm
take
saying.
good direction. What-
Right, like Groot.
So when you know what you're doing in a car, you know what you're doing. Check it out. Mark is in my car upside down underneath the steering wheel and the dashboard to get this pedal commander hooked up properly with some zip ties. Good job, Mark. You're close?
Almost.
So let me show you what Mark just did. So that cable right there, he put a zip tie up there on that tab so that that cable goes straight up from the gas pedal. And then it's routed
So it's not.
up through there and across and inside the carpet right there. So I can grab it anytime I want from there. But as I said, I'm not going to need to because I'm going to use the Bluetooth app on my phone. So the next step is to turn it on and then hook it up to my phone by way of Bluetooth. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press the start button on the pedal commander here.
So now the red light's on that, right?
Yes. So now I can scan. There we go. Unknown device. What was the code?
What was the code, Mark?
Continue. Please enter a name for your pedal device. US. Speed. There we go.
It's connected.
So now I can change it just like this, and it changes up there. I change the Sport Plus.
you know, it changes
Changes
on
to, yep.
Yeah, on the display, yeah.
And now I go to Eco. Now it's on Eco. So you know what that means, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to go out and have some fun and test this out.
Do it.
All right, let's go for a ride. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So right now I've got it set to Eco mode, as you can see right here. And I'm telling you right now, this is crazy. I'm pressing on the gas really hard and it feels like I have no power. So this Eco mode sucks. So we're gonna go to city and see what happens. Whoa, did you feel that? I didn't, hey, I didn't touch the gas pedal at all. My foot remained on the gas pedal the same. That was insane, dude. Oh my, what the? Just city mode is crazy. So, I'm gonna tell you right now, city mode already feels better than without the pedal commander. And that's just city mode. All right, I'm gonna wait until we're on the straightaway and then I'll put it on sport and see how it feels just leaving my foot on the gas the same. There's sport, that didn't really feel any different. So let's see. Let's put it in manual, that way I can. So still a little bit of lag in sport. Now let's go to Sport Plus. Holy cow! Dude! Guys, I'm telling you right now, I'm barely touching the gas.
Yep.
Oh my god. Okay, all those that want to race me now, you're
Come
going
on.
down. Holy cow. I mean, it feels like I have turbo. Dude, this is insane.
Yes.
There is zero lag time now. I mean, zero lag time. Holy cow. I mean, I just let my foot fall on the gas and it does that.
It's a game changer.
Wow, you guys got to get this. It's worth every penny. $300. Every penny. I mean, this makes it effortless, guys. It absolutely makes it effortless to get up to speed. I mean, not that the C8 needed, good golly, not that the C8 needed help, but I guess it kind of did. All right, we'll see if Mark can hold on to the camera. We're doing a launch control. Wow. That was amazing. Sheesh.
Yes.
I mean, I'm loving it, man. Thanks for the suggestion.
Absolutely,
This is
absolutely.
amazing.
I couldn't be the only one having fun.
I don't want to quit driving my car now. It's like a whole new car. Wow. The front end just wants to lift up. It's so crazy.
Yep.
I mean, you have to learn how to drive your car again. Wow.
I take it that's the stamp of approval.
Yeah, absolutely. It's amazing.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so as you could see, that was fantastic. That ride completely changed. There is no lag anymore with the car. It is unbelievable. Wouldn't you say so?
Yeah. Yep, absolutely.
And like I said, he already has it on his car, and it
Strong.
rips.
Yes.
I love how there's all the different modes. So now I have like 8 modes because I have different modes with my car as well.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It truly is a upgrade that you can do to your C8 that it will not void your warranty at all. It's a safe upgrade. So you should pick it up. They run $299. So they're not super cheap, but they are well worth it. So that's going to do it. Please give us all a thumbs up. Mark kicked his butt. He had to get upside down in the freaking car under the steering wheel. And Mark T got in there for a long while himself, trying to get the actual pedal unplugged, and he was able to do that. So lots of help here. I love the Mark and Mark team.
That's right.
So give them a big thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss one of these videos, make sure you smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys in Carlisle.